How to delete someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 step. Now if you're wanting to delete, which means remove your friend from Snapchat, make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. Now first let's head over to the app of Snapchat. Now in order to delete or remove a particular friend from Snapchat, if you have their chats on the chat section, you can just tap and hold their names and you can open up manage friendship. If you don't see it on the chat section, you can tap on the search bar on the top and then just search for the names. Now once you open up the chat, you just tap on the bitmoji of theirs on the top, and from here you just tap on the three dots on the top right and head over to manage friendship. Now you'll have two choices. Either you can just remove them as your friend, or if you want you can also block them. This way they won't be able to see your profile on Snapchat and won't be able to send you a friend request. So if you want that, you can choose block. If not, if you just want to remove them, you can tap on remove friend and your friend on Snapchat will be removed or deleted. So that's the way to do it. This was a real short and easy video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.